Welcome to Learn Automotive. In this video, I am going to explain you the two subfunctions on the read DTC information service 19. Yes, it's a continuity of the previous videos. So the two subfunctions are report the number of mirror memory DTC by status mask and report mirror memory DTC by status mask. So here are the two subfunctions. Before entering into the request response part, we'll just explain about what exactly the mirror memory DTC is. Yes. So the main difference between mirror memory DTC and normal DTC, why I'm differentiating is, yes, we have to we are getting the mirror memory DTC by the normal DTC. So it's I have to make you understand that I'll come by a flow. So wherever the fault occurs, that the DTC has been created. So whatever the DTC is created, we can read, we can may heal by itself, or we can clear it. But the mirror DTC is mirror memory DTC. There is a memory. That memory will just take the original DTC as a copy and it will store here. So if you clear here, that is if you clear using the 14 service, that is 14 FFFF, but FFFF, then this particular mirror memory DTC will not be cleared. Alright, so 14 and 3F, that is 3 bytes of information, 3 bytes to be cleared. Alright, so the mirror memory DTC will not clear. So only the DTC part will be clear. That is DTC part is what in my previous video I have said, right? So if you are aware, you can leave a comment. So the read DTC by the status mask. So whenever the particular DTC occurs, yes, this will generate a mirror memory DTC. The particular copy will be generated, or it will just transfer, or it will do. But anyhow, the particular DTC will be there in the mirror memory DTC. Alright, so the main intention of the mirror memory DTC is to understand the historical fault. So how we are going to the doctor if we have if you are suffering from some some health issues. We have to give them a history, right? So previous history, we are suffering from these kind of diseases. So it will be very easy for him to diagnose, and it is very good for him to give a relevant tablets or the medicines that will not impact the previous disease. So similarly, although if you are clearing the DTCs, the mirror memory DTCs will be really helpful for the service guy, that is the diagnostic service engineer, to get to know the information about the particular car from the ECU. Alright, so that is the main purpose of the mirror memory DTC. That's all very short about mirror memory DTC. If you still want to explore more, yes, you can always go through the ISO document. Then coming to the request and response part, so we'll have a look on two subfunctions. First is 191103. So here the 19 is a service and 11 is a subfunction and 03 is a DTC status availability mask. So we are requesting with the DTC, that's what the name itself, the subfunction name itself, report number of mirror memory DTC by status mask. So by using a status mask, by using this subfunction, we are requesting, that is 1911 then 03. The response we are getting is here 59, that is whatever the plus 40 is added, then 59, then 11, that is the subfunction. 003 is again the particular DTC's availability mask. And coming to this, it's a 03 here I have mentioned. It is a DTC format identifier, and every DTC there will be the format identifier. Then the final one is the count. Yes, totally 2 DTCs will be present. Alright, so whatever it is, the DTC may differ 2 or 1 or 4 or whatever it is. So this is the subfunction which is used to retrieve the DTC number. How many mirror memory DTCs are present. So this is a mirror memory DTC and the number is also given. So this is one subfunction. And next subfunction on a queue is report mirror memory DTC. So we have learned about how to get the number of mirror memory DTC, and this is exactly what the mirror memory DTC is present at the time of request. Okay, so for that we can give the request like 190F. 0F is a subfunction to request the mirror memory DTC by status mask. Again 03 is a status mask we can request, and the subfunction we will get is 59, then 0F, then 03 again is whatever we requested. It is acknowledges this is what the DTC information I am giving. For that the DTC format identifier has been followed. Then after that the DTCs. So what are the DTCs, like 1A, 2B, 3C? It's just an assumption generic DTC that I used to get. So that it's not the original DTC, right? Then 1A, 2B, 3C, it's a DTC. Then after that the DTC, there is status of the DTC. Now previous video I have explained about how the status of DTC flows, and that is what here all about. And again I got a comment like okay, you are explained about the flow, but how the DTC status is coming followed with these DTC, that also they have asked. So maybe in our future videos I'll try to explain this. And okay, so here the part is, after the DTC there will be the status of DTC. So this is all about the request of the mirror memory DTC to retrieve the number of DTCs present, and also to retrieve the exact DTCs what are present. Alright, so yeah, I hope you learned something in this video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, yes, you can subscribe. And if you would like to follow me in any of these social media, yes, you can always welcome to have technical discussions and to know about the requirement as well as walk-in drives. We'll get back to you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.